how much access do I get for questions, strategy, discussion, and back and forth support? So this is again, when it comes down to working with an agency, it's really important to ask this question as quick as possible. And this would be a better question to ask than how many clients do you serve, to be honest, is because most of the time, especially smaller brands, what I'm seeing is they have the impression that just because you're the agency owner and you, or maybe, for example, right, Scalewave is a smaller agency that is handling only a smaller or a limited amount of clients. Based on that, I am still the face and the brand behind Scalewave. And whenever they would be hopping on a call, they are hopping on a call with me, for example. And then they would have the impression that just because they hopped on a call with you, that you are the one who's going to manage the account. And here, what is really important is letting them know that if that is not the case, right? So we're not a consultancy, we're an agency. I am not on a daily basis managing an account. I have a team that is doing this, that I'm supervising and with whom I am training and with whom I am growing personally. So this means that I will just get into the account and see and learn and so on, but I'm not doing the day-to-day. However, I have a good system in place in which that they understand what to do and how to do things the way that Scalewave does things. So when it comes down to questions, strategies, discussion, back and forth support, this is really important if you are the agency owner and also if you're the brand owner, to understand that, for example, if you were on the call with me and you decided to partner up with me, that you understand that you will not have direct access to me all the time with all the questions and with strategy discussions. You will have access to your project coordinator, who is going to be the collaborator between me, with strategy, and between the other team members who might be design or catalog team. Why is this important? Is because you don't want to create the impression that you are always accessible, because then they believe that you're always accessible and they are going to ask all the questions. So really important whenever this question comes up, especially when it comes down to interviewing agencies, or I think that you should be asking this, because then you will have clear expectations.